I have some big news. I have written a book and it came out today on Kindle, and it goes back into my own religious heritage in Churches of Christ. That's my history, my background, and I care deeply about it, and I want to see it go well. I want to see it expand in the most healthy way possible, the most healthy types of churches possible. And so after 20 years in ministry in Churches of Christ, although the last 5 years have not been in an official Church of Christ capacity doing home churches and discipleship, I wrote online with blogs for like 15 years on these kind of issues. Edited wineskins.org, which is a Church of Christ publication, edited hundreds of articles, wrote dozens and dozens and dozens, probably hundreds of articles on these subjects, did YouTube videos early on in this channel on these issues. So I've had a lot of time to process the Church of Christ issues and think about what's going on. I have a very analytical mind and also try to be very fair, probably have a little Asperger's in me, so I'm pretty objective. I don't mind calling things out or being direct, but also caring and loving. I try to be graceful and kind and fair, objective. So anyway, now that we've been doing discipleship at home church, we've kind of pulled away from that conversation. It's kind of given me time to look back on that and think about some of the issues that were extremely hard to see when I was in the middle of those things. And I think it's given some perspective on the issues themselves, some things I'm still absolutely hopeful about, and some things that we can do moving ahead to make things better. So that's what's in this book. It's starting off a Kindle book. I'm putting the link in the description. It's $5. That goes to supporting the ministry here of making disciples, training disciple makers, training home church planters. All the money goes into that nonprofit bank account. I want to just let you know about that, and that won't resonate with all of you. I do have some plans there will be a softcover book of this. There will be an audio book of this. And I'm probably going to take it and make it into a broader Christian book as well in the near future so that it will impact more people and be relevant to more of you who watch this channel and resonate with the kinds of things that I'm talking about. But I just wanted to make you aware of that and spread the word. And if you would spread the word about the book, if it's relevant to you and your people, I think it would be great for a Bible class. I think it would be great for a small group. I think it would be great for church leadership to read. There are QR codes throughout, especially in the later half. More information, more study, some of the videos on this channel, tools for development, tools for leadership training, tools for discipleship training that are embedded into the book. At the end of each chapter, there's this worksheet that walks you through that. What are your notes? What are your prayers? What are you going to do about it? Who are you going to talk to? And what are you going to talk to them about? Because I move to action mostly when I talk to someone about something. So I'm trying to keep this video brief. I just want to announce it, and I'm putting the link in the description. When the softcover comes out, I'll add that link in the description. It's called Restoring a Movement, A Hopeful Future for Churches of Christ. And I hope you're hopeful about your movement, whatever tribe that you're a part of, that you're hopeful for your people and where you've come from, because we want to see everybody succeed. We want to see the kingdom expand and grow. So I want to encourage that. Appreciate you watching this, and I hope you just go get the book. $5, it's all going back into training more people. So can't go wrong there. And love you and appreciate you.